Hey guys, this is Green King 25 bringing you 5 Battle Pack Epic Dons today. Let's see what we got. Nosy Knot, Free the Matchless General, and our Starfoil Universe. Our rare Ryza the Storm Monarch. Nice. Changing Destiny. Alright, second pack. Jilroid. Mad Darkness. Starfoil Compulsory. Nice, nice. And a rare Metal Reflex Slam. Blackwing Zephyrus the Elite. Chiron the Mage. The Starfoil Fiendish Chain, nice. Oh, rare Sullen Judgment. Infected Mail. Second and last pack. Naturia Strawberry. Raging Flame Sprite, and our Starfoil Miracles Wave, Ancient Gear Golem, and Horn of the Unicorn.